Hey everyone, so I was super excited last time I was over here. I'm back over at my local reservoir, and it was because of the grey crested grebes. I sort of saw the beginnings of the weed dance, as they call it, yeah, their mating dance. So didn't actually see them go up together with the weed and shaking their heads, but I did see them start. So I'm over here again. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go and dig in somewhere right at the far end from the car park. There's like a little horseshoe bit. Tend to be sort of sheltered and what have you. Nice flat water, so really good for photography. Unfortunately, it's overcast today, so the light is soft, but it's a bit flat. But you know, we got to go with what nature gives us, and this is one of the only days that I can get over here really. So I'm going to give it a go. Spend a couple of hours dug in somewhere with the old tripod and what have you, and see how we do. Go. This is the first place I'm going to dig in. It's quite a busy swim, so you do get walkers and things, but it's got a nice view of fairly flat water there, and we get lots of grebes in here, so fingers crossed, eh? Let's just have a look at where I'm going to be. There's my gear down there, and I'm going to sit back to the tree, tripod in front of me. Got my scrim net as well, bit of head covering, and just blend in for an hour. See how we go. Well, I've been here about an hour now. Nothing doing as yet. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grebes out on the lake in front of me, so some to my left. They're squawking about, and there's 1 or 2 that keep coming in front of me. Look like they're about to go, and they chase each other about a bit, and nothing doing. I've got a few shots, but they are quite a bit far out in the middle of the lake. But that's it, right? It's all about being patient. I had a guy with his dog walk right by me. I'm literally like a metre and a half off the front of the lake, where the path is. Sort of nestled in, and he didn't see me. It was all I could do not to laugh, but there we go. My camo jacket and scrim net must be working. Oh dear, that's funny. There's been a few ducks flying by. There's a couple of mallards just flying in now. Maybe give it another hour here and see what's doing. Maybe move on, just have an explore. I have no idea what that was, but every bird for miles has just lifted off. I've never heard anything like that over here before. I mean, that wasn't a crow scarer or anything. Wow. Anyway, so I've been here a couple of hours there now, and there's nothing doing really. I think it might produce given longer. There was a grey heron sort of over in the reeds in front of me, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I've got a nice picture of that. But I still don't know how loud bang was. Fly me. Anyway, I'll give it another 30 minutes and then I'll move. Okay, so we've moved locations now. I'm down near the field where I saw the grey herons the other week, and there are now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little egrets in the field, probably about 150 metres away, not really bothered by me, and then about 400 metres away or so the 3 grey herons. Let me show you on the back of the camera. There you go, that's what I'm looking at now. 3, and just swing round. It's a nice location actually. It's the drain canal for the reservoir. And it goes all the way around there. There is now 4 grey herons. I don't know if you can see them. I'll try and zoom in as much as I can. I am handheld with my vlogging gear, so there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turned out to be another nice walk again. Lovely. Well then guys, that was a nice walk around the reservoir, wasn't it? I don't know, 4.5 hours in all, something like that. I sat still for just a little while, just to see if I could get those grebes. Unfortunately, they weren't playing ball today, and they were right in the middle of the reservoir when they did do it, and I was just too far away and didn't catch it anyway. But hey, there's a few more weeks of March left, eh? Yeah, and we live and learn, and fingers crossed I might catch it. Some nice egrets, yeah, some grey herons. Hopefully got some photographs of those. Found a couple of spots that I might try out and hide out with the egrets. I saw where they fish, so I might try and have a little look-see and sort of see if I can sort something out there. And it might be a good spot for a kingfisher as well. So again, I'm going to have a little look-see there. So all in all, a nice walk, a nice robin, yellow wagtail, a goosander. Oh, I hope I haven't got a decent picture of a goosander yet, but there we go. It always evades me, but let's look and see. So guys, please do hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the dingly bell if you want to see more. I'll see you all very soon. I'm going in for a hot chocolate. Bye-bye.